with AHA Foundation in the editorial group. I was the head of the editorial group, and the one thing I loved about it was, there isn't one thing, but the one thing I loved the most was the team and the people. They were really supportive, and the team was amazing to work with. Also, I loved the issues and the topics that the programs and the symposiums were held on.
Hi everyone, this is Anya Narula. I'm holding the post of Editor-in-Chief in the Editorial Department of the Adolescents Development Club of Advanced Healthcare Foundation. The best part of my journey with Advanced Healthcare Foundation has definitely been the vast experience, be it leadership skills or time management. I have learned so many things as a part of my journey.
Hi, my name is Ahira and I'm the head of department of the Youth Media of the Adolescents Development Club. My journey with the club has been one of constant learning and constant growth, and I personally feel that the best part about the club is that it's a stage where a lot of people and a lot of students can come forward and give their best and most creative way in order to help the environment and in order to spread awareness and education. I feel like the club provides an extremely healthy and a positive environment to showcase our talents and our ideas to help our society become more aware and to do our best with the resources that we have.
Hi, my name is Akshita Goyal. I was the happiness hero. That means I was heading the public relations team. The best part of my journey so far is when I get a glimpse of the real corporate world out there. Talking to the ones in the shoes of reality makes me come out of the social world that we all sometimes confuses with the real life. Thank you, Shreya ma'am, for this wonderful opportunity.
Hello everyone, this is Anupriya Bhatnagar and I am holding the post of High Flyer in the editorial department. And the best part for the journey for me was that we have such a wonderful and warm environment, a family feeling where we all can work freely and properly. Whenever we have doubts, there are always people to clear them up and they are always there to guide us and support us.
Hi everyone, my name is Chaitanya Malik and I'm currently the Happiness Hero, Head of Public Relations and Social Media Department. The best part of my journey is being promoted to the core team. Cheers!
Hello everyone, I am Dheerya Gupta and I had been a part of Advanced Healthcare Foundation as consigliere of Penton, and the best part of my journey over here was the group meetings which we used to have on a regular basis, because firstly it provided us with the platform to share our ideas, and secondly it helped us to overcome the monotonous which the pandemic has caused in our lives.
Hi everyone, Ishika Ilani this side. I was the social sensei, part of the social media department. My journey with Advanced Healthcare Foundation was really fun and full of insightful experiences. The best part of the journey was that it involved a lot of creativity. The work environment was great, my colleagues were awesome, and I actually felt that I was spreading awareness and contributing my part towards the development of the society.
Hi, my name is Khushi and I was the connoisseur of Pentone, that was the graphic designing head for Adolescent Development Club for the period of 4 months. The best part of my journey was, I believe we were the first few teams that was actually recruited. So we got the opportunity to build the logo of Adolescent Development Club. So, and when I see that even today that the logo is being used, I feel a little bit of proud about myself, and I received the best team that I could. Thanks.
Hello everyone, Khushi Verma this side. I'm the High Flyer of AHCF and head of the AD Club, graphic designing and art and craft department. My journey with AHCF has been amazing. I learned, explored and got inspired so much. I'm thankful to AHCF and its members for their guidance and support. I owe it to AHCF to have helped me grow into the person that I am today.
Hi, I'm Ansi and I'm one of the club heads for the Adolescent Development Club. My journey with the Adolescent Development Club has been one of the most special experiences of my life, because I started off as one of the core team members. I was the head of the editorial club, and I think the greatest experience was leading this team of aspiring writers, because you get to learn so much, you get to meet new people, you get to meet these inspirational, kids who aspire to be writers, who are great writers and who are always on the go, who always want to learn.
Hello, I am Megha. I'm a high flyer here and I'm heading the Adolescents Development Club. I feel the best part of working here is the opportunity to grow as a person, as an individual, to grow as a professional that is enhancing skills, and of course to grow as a whole team, as a whole club. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Nandini and I am head of HR department. The best part of AHCF is that it's a group of all the adolescents who are working together towards such a great initiative. I would like to thank AHCF for making me able to do my bit for the society and providing such a great initiative where every day I can learn something new. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Prisha and I'm heading the event management department. My best memory here is working with everyone on the Menstruation Day event and making it a huge success.
Hi, it's Rockteam here. I did my internship last year from August to October in Advanced Healthcare, that is 3 months, and my role was idea generator. to give different ideas for different events. And if you talk about the best part of my internship, then I'll probably say the whole 3 months was best part for me, because I learned a lot of things from that internship, like from different brainstorming session and all. So yes, the whole 3 months was best for me.
Hi, I'm Stakshi Akansha. I was the polymath at AD Club last year. I think the best part of my journey was organizing different events, just talking to new people and coordinating stuff especially. I had such an amazing journey. I wish AHC the best.
This is Sakshi. I was formerly the PR head and CEO of AD Club, started off here. And first of all, congratulations to the current team, to AD Club for successfully completing 1 year. So talking about the best part of my journey was definitely meeting new people and also working with those with whom I was like friends with for the past so many years.
Hello everyone, I am Somsi Patania and I hold the position of Logic Gate in AHCF. So far, the best part of my journey is actually all of the events that have been organized in the Adolescent Development Club in AHCF. All of these events have contributed somehow personally in my growth, be it my leadership skills, my communication skills, and even coming out of my comfort zone. I actually have improved a lot in 1 year of span, and I would like to thank Shreya ma'am for providing me with this opportunity.
My heartily congratulations to Adolescent Development Club. It's been a year. Really, I can't believe it, because I was part of this club just a year ago, and exactly the same time it was. I don't remember. It was my first internship, and I was not aware of this culture of NGO. I really enjoyed being an NGO, helping others, and working as a team. I really learned a lot about working with a team. Everyone of different backgrounds and different fields. And Megha, really a good team leader, and she coordinated really well in each and every events. A really good mentor we had. Shreya ma'am helped me a lot in my web development internship. Really, I was also assigned some video projects as I'm good in it, and I really enjoyed doing each.